don't know if you've ever gotten a product that you were so surprised at the quality that you want to tell everybody about it. This is the product for me. This is from Priority Chef. It is a 5-piece bowl set, but it has so many things in it. I saw a bowl set with covers and I thought, that's a great product. I'll get that. They nest inside each other, stainless steel, and that sounds great. Well, let me just tell you how this exceeded my expectations. This was provided for me from Priority Chef to share with you my honest opinion, and look how great this set is. I'm gonna zoom in close so you can see, and then I will show you some of the many functions that it has. This set is 5 stainless steel bowls. Now you have a 5-quart that's about 8.6 inches by 5.1 inches. Now this bowl itself is a master. Let me show you all that it has. It is massive. It's huge, and it is very large and high quality, you can tell. And inside each bowl, there's etchings of measurements. So as you're measuring, you can see, without having to dirty an additional measuring cup, you can see exactly where you are, all the way up to 5 quarts, a very huge bowl. And this is my favorite feature about this bowl. This top opens up here, and it comes with 3 different graters that you can slip in here and grate vegetables. It has one that's great for carrots, one that's great for cheeses, one that's great for slicing like cucumbers or potatoes or whatever you might want. And this great cheese slicer, I have used it, and it is so great to slice the cheese right in the container that you're gonna put it in and put the top on. And then in addition to that, this is a great salad size. So all the ingredients you wanna put in a salad, you can put in there, and you can actually just slip this back on with the salad dressing, shake it up, and you have the bowl that you can serve it in, mix it in, and chop it in. That is such a great benefit. I would get this product for that feature alone, but look at all the other great things that comes with it. In addition to the 5-quart, you have a 4-quart bowl with the same features, including the etching on the inside. And all of the bowls have this silicone bottom, which keeps it from sliding if you're preparing in it, and it keeps it from sliding if you're serving it. All machine washable, perfect sizes for marinating vegetables or meats that you want to cook or even barbecue. And this is a 3-quart bowl, a 2-quart bowl, and a 1.5-quart bowl. All these different sizes are great for side dishes, for sauces, and they store well in the refrigerator, and they clean up safely in the dishwasher. All have the silicone base, and all of that is what is included in this set. Plus there's a free utensil set. Now this utensil set is an amazing set because it is all silicone tipped. It is made with stainless steel and silicone tipped, and each one of them has a hanging hole there so you can hang it to display, to dry, to store, but the silicone base means you can operate it when things are hot. Look at all these great spatulas. I love these 2 features here. They are great for putting icing on something or to scrape the bowl. And this little super sandwich maker, I love. It's also great to make a flat piece on a cake or something that you want to slice. Makes a very nice defined cut. I love that. And it also comes with this whisker and this basting brush. Now this whisker and all of these tools will fit right in here in this hole in this large bowl, so you can mix in the same bowl. That is really, really unique. I haven't seen anything like that. And in addition to the whisker, you have these 3 additional pieces. A great set of silicone measuring cups that go all the way from 1/8 cup to a whole cup and everything in between. You can separate these, use them separately, or keep them pulled together and hang them. Very nice. Same with the measuring cups. Same with the measuring spoons, rather, from tablespoon all the way up to 1/3 tablespoon. I love that. And then here you have the juicer for your lemon juices, all of which have this little resting piece that you can fit on the bowl, and you can have the ingredients go right into the bowl that you want to work with. And then as you consume some of this food, you can move it to the smaller ones to store it if you want it in a smaller container as you eat some. This is a great bowl set. I highly recommend it from Priority Chef. What a bonus. This is a great, great set. I think you'll find it's wonderful too.